come purge my closet with me. As you can see, I am busting out of the seams here, and this is going to be a big spring cleaning. So let's just get right into it. And if it looks like I'm looking in a weird or different direction, it's because I'm filming for 2 different platforms at the same time. All right, so I usually do the purge thing every 6 months or so. Why I purge my closet is because I feel like I learn my different buying patterns and what to avoid every time I go shopping. I'm about 5 months postpartum now also, so I feel like what I'm wearing is very different. I didn't think we'd get here, but now I'm just trying to shop my closet more and just trying to be more practical and realistic with the outfits that I wear and the stuff that I buy. A rule of thumb for me is if I haven't worn something in a year, it's really just gotta go. And if I'm having a really hard time parting with it, I'll probably leave it to the side and revisit it again like in a week or a month or so. Otherwise, it's going, and my mindset is that I can always buy something new again or something similar that's new. So I really usually don't ever have a hard time parting with my clothes because I've done this so many times. So once you've put this into practice, you just realize it's really not that hard. So as you can see, I have all my pants here ready to go. This I've never worn and I still love it. It's summertime, so we're keeping it. And this one is a classic snake print, so we're keeping that as well. We have some jeans. I think I'm keeping all of those. As you can see, I'm going through a lot of my trousers and I'm just like keeping a lot of them because trousers are so good to dress up and down, especially if you want to look more put together. Avoid jeans and opt for trousers instead. Another skinnies that still have the tag on that I haven't worn, so these are going. I'm honestly probably going to get rid of a lot of my leather pants. Maybe keep 2, like these brown ones, maybe these black ones. These shorts I love for summer, but I haven't worn them in like a year. So this is gonna go to the side, but I feel like I'm gonna end up getting rid of them because I do have a lot of shorts that are similar. I have a lot of ribbed items, so these ribbed pants that are folded and this ribbed skirt, I'm just gonna get rid of them because I feel like they're just, I haven't worn them in a year or maybe more, and they're just a little too just form-fitting and fancy to me. So all of this is already going. I already feel so much better. A lot of these maxi skirts are going just because I don't think it's practical for me. This one's super cute, but again, I don't know if I'm just gonna trip and fall if I'm running after my kids. I haven't worn these mini skirts in forever. Maternity. Not the biggest fan of lace, but this is so specific and such occasion wear that I just know I'm not wearing it anytime soon. And more maternity. These are actually not maternity like actual maternity pants. I just bought regular jeans with a drawstring in bigger sizes. Okay, all of this black and gray denim that is kind of all similar cuts. So I have one that's mango, it has pleats. I have one from Base, which I love. Then I have one from Zara right here, which I never wear. Then I have this redone one that's a little more gray. So I really only need one of these. So I'm gonna keep the Base ones and the redone ones since they are more of like a lighter gray. And these 2, I don't need. We're just trying to be a little more minimal and less excessive. All right, excuse the lighting in here. So I'm gonna go into this part of my closet, which are cardigans and sweaters. So one thing that I have learned about myself this past fall is that I'm not quite a sweater person. I have all these sweaters thinking, oh, sweaters are just so easy. I love sweaters. And I'm gonna keep a couple sweaters that I really love. I am more of a jacket outerwear person. Up here is where all my jackets are. I'm probably gonna keep a lot of it, but that's just what I realized. I just feel better in a 3-piece, like a top of some sort, a jacket, and some pants or whatever bottoms. I'm truly an outerwear girl, so a lot of these sweaters are gonna go. I do have a ton of cardigans, which I am into because a cardigan is technically outerwear. So see, I have 2 of these. It is truly not necessary, so I'm just gonna keep one. I also realized that I am so not a turtleneck person. It just really bothers me. It just feel like I'm so obstructed when something is blocking my neck, I guess. And I also just feel like I'm staining it with my makeup. That's going. All right, got a bunch of blazers because by now I have bought so many blazers over the years. I know how I want my blazers to fit. I'm also not in like corporate America, so I don't need very serious form-fitting suit type of blazers, and these are kind of that. So although I love the colors and the pinstriped, I just haven't worn them at all, so they're going. This one even still has the tags on them from Zara. Dress I wore to Morgan Wallen concert. Just not practical right now. This dish set, so cute, just a little bit heavy for the summertime. Also, we have a trend going. Got rid of a lot of my leather pants. Also, getting rid of a lot of leather jackets because I just haven't worn these. I've been reaching more for my cardigans and other outerwear that's not leather lately. But also, it's just excessive. I did still have like 3 more leather jackets over here that I think I love a lot more that I am keeping. Okay, let's move on to shorts. I have an excessive amount of shorts, especially like trouser shorts and white shorts, as you can see. So these are like skirts that I'm keeping. This is a little bubble skirt that I'm keeping, but I think in terms of trouser shorts, I'm gonna get rid of this one from Aritzia. I have this one that's really nice and it flares out, so I'm keeping that. This one kind of just falls, doesn't have much shape. That's gonna be the side pile. And I have just like these linen shorts right here that I think I'll keep. Okay, one thing that I have gone against my will and completely kept for years and years and years is this sheer bodysuit from the House of CB. It comes with an inner tank, so it looks like that. It's very, very cute. However, I think the last time I wore this was when I was in London back in like 2016. But for whatever reason, I still hold on to this bodysuit. And I remember wearing it with leather pants and heels, and it just looks so good. But the thing is I never wear this or reach for it. So I think it's time that I part ways with it. But look how cute. It is so cute. It's like a low plunging bodysuit, V-neck silky bodysuit on the inside, and then just a sheer cover up on the outside. And someone's gonna be really lucky to have this. Now I'm debating, but we're not keeping it. All right, I am into tops now, and I am reaching for a lot of bodysuits because bodysuits are just not that comfortable for me nowadays, or it's just not something I am reaching for. I feel like when I think of it, I'm like, ugh, uncomfortable. And I've never thought I'd be that person because the bodysuits I just absolutely love. So I have a bunch of bodysuits in here that I'm getting rid of. And another thing that I'm kind of over that I have a bunch of is the vest. The vest is still in, and I feel like, you know, we're still gonna be seeing a lot of it. However, I'm just kind of over it. So we're getting rid of a bunch of vests because I just have an excessive amount, and I feel like we're just gonna start seeing them go away here real soon. And I haven't been reaching for them. All right, so we have moved on. Now we are getting rid of a lot of stuff that I just haven't worn, period. It's been over a year, even 2 years. And then I'm moving on to more specific items because I used to go to a lot of events, so I would keep a lot of occasion wear for events, and I really don't ever go to events anymore, just mainly because I don't even live in LA anymore. So I would keep a lot of suit pants and things like that. Like, I really love this suit right here, but since I don't do any of that, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Also, this Norma Kamali blazer that I literally wore once that has the belt right here and also comes with this dress as a matching set. I love it so much, but I just really haven't worn it, to be honest. It's actually still currently on sale and such like a vibe, so I'll sell it for a lot less. Again, very specific occasion wear. You guys have probably barely seen any print or seen me pull out any print over the years. Print was like the #1 thing that I would get rid of, and so I just learned that I get over print so fast. So I really just don't buy any of it. This was gifted to me. I didn't have anywhere to wear it to, so I feel like this could go to someone that has like a summer wedding or something. And then this is just like an eclair denim dress that is so cute. I keep trying to figure out how I can wear it, but it's just, I don't know. All right, anything with like a loud label like this, I'm just getting rid of. I just don't even like labels on any of the stuff that I wear anymore. Okay, we are in dresses. I am getting rid of a lot of these hot long sleeve dresses that I won't be wearing in the summer, and a lot of the heavy ones, maybe they're like crochet and very specific like fancy occasion wear I'm getting rid of. Stuff like this is just too hot. And then a lot of satin, like satin skirts like this, just don't really reach for them anymore. I know like they're still in, but feels like it's just a bit much for me right now. All right, we are getting rid of a bunch of dresses that are maxi mostly, and I'm keeping some. Obviously, a lot of them are black, and most of them are like more midi length. What I realize is that I am more of like a linen pant and top kind of girl. Stuff that's breathable and flowy, and this is for the summertime, and like a nice dress like the one I'm wearing right now. And I don't know, that might change, we'll see. But if you're interested in shopping my closet, just follow me on Poshmark. I'll leave the link is my bio, or you can just find me at Naomi Boyer on Poshmark. Thank you so much for watching.